Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to use tenses in Kinyarwanda. Tenses are called ibihe by'inshinga. There are what I can call three basic tenses, which are past, present and future. And past is impitagihe in Kinyarwanda, impitagihe. And present is indagihe. Future is inzagihe. And today we are going to learn how to use present tense, which is indagihe. As I just shown you, a present tense is indagihe, and in present simple we have indagihe kakanya, which is something that occurs now, and indagihe y'ubusanzwe it's something that occurs oftenly or always. And there is present continuous, which is indagihe y'igikomezo. It's something that is happening now. Okay, let's start with indagihe y'aka kanya, which is present simple. We are going to use examples to know how to use it. And first example is ndashaka amafaranga, which means I want money. In that ndashaka, that nd, it's what shows that it is in the present, and shaka is a verb. The second example is ndi mu buriri, which means I'm in bed, and that ndi is I. If you didn't watch videos where I talked about it, you can see them in the previous videos. And mu buriri means in bed, and that ndi shows that it's now. Let's also see how to use indagihe y'ubusanzwe, which is present simple. We are going to use examples. Burigihe mbyuka kare, which means I always wake up early. This buri, which started this sentence, shows always, so it means it's something that happens always. The second example is Ali akora siporo buri gitondo. Ali does sports every morning, and that buri shows that she does it every morning. The last but not least is indagihe y'igikomezo, which is present continuous, and we are also going to use examples to understand it well. Ndi kurya umuneke, I'm eating a banana. Ndi is I, and kurya is the verb, which is eating. And in Kinyarwanda there is no much of a difference, but as you speak it or learn it, you will understand it. And the second example is ndi guteka, which means I'm cooking, and that ndi is I, and guteka is cooking. We are going to do exercises, which means imyitozo in Kinyarwanda. And the first one is ndashaka akazi, which means I want a job. Do you think it is indagihe y'aka kanya, indagihe y'ubusanzwe, or indagihe y'igikomezo? It is indagihe y'aka kanya. And the second one is Liza ategereje Nicole, which means Liza is waiting for Nicole. What do you think? Is it indagihe y'igikomezo, indagihe y'ubusanzwe, or indagihe y'aka kanya? It is indagihe y'igikomezo. The third one is ari kureba movie, which is he's watching a movie. What do you think is the answer for this one? The answer is indagihe y'igikomezo. And the fourth one is Kalisa ari hano, which means Kalisa is here. What do you think is the answer for the fourth one? The answer is indagihe y'aka kanya. And the fifth is Jones agura amata buri gitondo, which means John buys milk every morning. What do you think is the answer? It is indagihe y'ubusanzwe. Thanks guys for being in this class. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell button. Till next time.